The fish. I'm going to grab your fish, and one of the very important things to do is to wash it. You need to get the slime off the fish. And the reason you need to get the slime off the fish is that when it gets on the paper, over time it will actually eat the paper away, and you're going to have huge holes in your paper and your artwork. And so get all the slime off the fish, and it's easily done with just regular old dish soap. You just got to wash the fish. Make sure and get underneath here in its gills. Get all the blood, anything that's going to leak. Right here, a little while ago, I cut its eye out. And the reason for that is when we print it, we want a nice clean space for the eyeball so we can paint in the color of the eye. And by cutting the eye out, it leaves a nice white space to color in the nice yellows and vibrant colors. So now that it's washed, grab your mom's very best towel and dry off the fish. Your mom would be really happy because the towel will smell like fish for at least 3 months. Very important to dry off the fish. So the next thing you do, you want to take some paper towels and you want to dry this thing out, and the gills, they always leak, and so you want those dried out as much as you can. And so while you're prepping the fish, shove a paper towel in there. Paper towel underneath this fin. It usually collects a lot of water. And a paper towel anywhere else that might collect water. And if this hole happens to be leaking, you want to put a bunch of paper towel up into that hole so it does not leak on your paper. So if you want to have the mouth open, a lot of times you need to force the mouth open and put paper towels in there or something to keep its mouth open so you can print. So from here, every artist is different. I like to pin the fins into place. So I have this old foam core board and I put it underneath the fins so I can have the fins in place. There we go. It's all pinned into place. This one actually went really nice. Sometimes it takes a lot of pins to get that in place. So you can see that we have all of the fins pinned down. That fin looks pretty nice, but I wanted to show you the right way and the wrong way to put a pin in. That, of course, is the wrong way. So what you want to do is to take that pin and put it at an angle, and it hurts the fingers to push them in sometimes. This paintbrush works pretty well. You push it in, done. Pow.